Nothing will be done to the people that killed Tinashe Chitsungo. And it is very painful because if nothing was done to the killers of Mboneni Ncube, nothing was done to the killers of Gift Tabamanga, if nothing was done to the killing of a lot of Triple C activists over the years and MDC activists over the years, and 6 people that were killed in August 1, there is nothing that is going to be done to the killers of this gentleman, which is very, very, very sad, because these individuals, they are doing it to their fellow citizens. Yes, we can get emotionally agitated when it comes to politics, but politics should never get to this extent of killing each other because I differ with you politically, especially in an urban area where you expect a lot of people to be literate and to be woke, to know how politics has shaped our country in the past years. We expect people to think differently and people to act differently and not to be emotionally riled, especially the fact that this gentleman was killed by stones. And this means that it was not one person's stone. It is a group and a collective effort. How did they sleep yesterday knowing that they have killed a fellow citizen? It is very, very painful. So my fellow Zimbabweans, let us not get politics to those levels whereby we kill each other. Let us differ. I've posted a picture of how important it is to live in harmony because there's life after elections. I'll see you on the next video.